Google, through the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, is trying to convince the public that this latest generation of foldable devices is more durable than its predecessors. However, recent extreme durability tests have produced unexpected results, raising new questions about how resistant foldable devices are to physical stress in the real world. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold was praised for its more solid hinge design, improved materials, and claims of durability on the foldable screen. However, this device still carries the problematic legacy of its predecessor, a weak spot in the antenna line. Foldable phones, with their complex hinges and more fragile panel structures compared to conventional slab phones, tend to face a dilemma between slim design and structural strength. Although manufacturers often emphasize that extreme testing does not represent everyday use, this latest incident has still sparked widespread reaction. Many users are questioning the reliability of warranties and durability claims, especially for premium devices with high price tags. For Google, this incident is a test of reputation between hardware reality and marketing messages.
The durability test was conducted by Zach Nelson from the YouTube channel Jerry Rig Everything, who is known for regularly testing the durability of devices using scratch, burn, and bend methods. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold passed most of the tests, including the scratch and hinge tests. The breakage indicates that the side structure has not been fully reinforced despite Google's claims of internal improvements. The antenna path, which requires structural gaps for signal transmission, appears to remain a vulnerable point. This has sparked comparisons with competitors such as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold or OnePlus Open, which in some cases were able to withstand similar pressure despite still experiencing deformation. However, it is important to note that bend tests like this are extreme and do not resemble regular pressure, such as falling off a table or sitting on a phone in a pocket. In everyday scenarios, users will not intentionally bend the device with full force. Even so, the fact that a smartphone worth thousands of dollars can break with hand pressure still raises concerns about structural durability.
One thing that sets the Pixel 10 Pro Fold incident apart from other foldable devices is the reaction of its battery. After the frame broke, the internal battery immediately exploded and emitted thick smoke, something that has never happened to a foldable device in Jerry Rig Everything's testing. This is not just a structural failure, but a potential safety risk if physical damage reaches the lithium-ion battery cells. From a technical perspective, the Pixel 10 Pro's battery uses lithium, which is highly sensitive to penetration or extreme pressure. When the internal layers are compressed or short-circuited, a thermal reaction can occur rapidly. However, such incidents remain rare without extreme triggers. Under normal use, the likelihood of such an explosion is very low as long as the device is not forcibly destroyed. Google itself has not yet issued an official statement regarding the explosion during the Pixel 10 Pro durability test. Some analysts argue that this incident is more a consequence of destructive testing than a direct design flaw. Nevertheless, the public still demands transparency. Users want to know whether battery protection has been designed for unexpected scenarios such as hard falls or extreme pressure. Extreme testing is not an absolute benchmark, but it serves as an important reflection of the physical limits of modern design. For manufacturers, durability is not just about hinges or flexible screens, but overall safety, including battery risk management. For consumers, this serves as a reminder that foldable devices, no matter how strong their claims may be, still require extra care.